Good morning, students, and a very warm welcome to you all. In the last session, we got acquainted with the various material sources of history. Today, we will study about the written and oral sources of history. So, let us begin. Written sources. Written sources are the sources that are available in any written form. The written sources come under the category of literary sources that includes records, manuscripts, autobiographies, official documents, inscriptions, diary entries, newspapers and journals, etc. that were written under research. We learn about the important historical events during the medieval period also from sources like the writing styles of scripts, that is, the written form of a play, film, speech, etc. like the Devanagari, Arabic, Persian, Modi, etc. as also from the varieties of different languages, Bhurjapatras, religious manuscripts means very old books or documents that were written by hand. Treatises means long formal books, articles or pieces of writings dealing with particular subject. Edicts means commands or instructions given by someone in authority. Decrees means an official order given by a government or a ruler. Biographies, that is story of a person's life written by somebody else. Paintings, etc. We can gather information about the food items, attire, conventions means agreements and rules of conduct means way of behavior of the people, festivals and about people's life, etc. from these sources. Sources of this type are called written sources of history. Let us see the meanings of difficult words. Bhurjapatra, the inner paper-like bar which was used in ancient times to write manuscripts. Manuscript, a very old book or document that was written by hand. Treatises, long formal books, articles or piece of writings dealing with a particular subject. Decrees, an official order given by a government or a ruler. Edicts, commands or instructions given by someone in authority. Biographies, story of a person's life written by somebody else. Travelogues, the personal accounts of travels written by the Western travelers who came to India during the medieval period are called as travelogues. They really help us to know about India of that period. Some of them are Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Nicolau Manukshi, Babar's biography, Sri Shiv Bharat, or the Sanskrit biography of Shivaji Maharaj, composed means collection made or formed from several different parts, people, etc. by the poet Paramanand, as well as other biographies of different rulers help us to understand the policies and administrative systems of the rulers and their diplomatic relations with others. Policies means a plan of action agreed or chosen by a government, a company, etc. Administrative systems means people involved in carrying out duties and responsibilities. Diplomatic relations means the arrangement between two countries by which each has representatives in the other country. This means biographies and autobiographies of rulers give an insight into the ruler's life and the social, economic and political life during that period. Thus, biographies and autobiographies are a descriptive source. Tawrik or Tariq. Tawrik and Tariq are Persian words that refer to histories written during the Mughal period. Tariq is a singular term and Tawrik is a plural term. Hence, Tariq refers to a single history while Tawrik refers to a collection of history. Tawrik or Tariq means the sequence or order of events. Tawrik was written by Delhi Sultans in the Persian language, which tells us more information about the Delhi Sultans. These authors guide rulers on the requirements to preserve an ideal social order based on gender distinctions and birthright. Their ideas were not shared by everybody. They wrote Tawriks to keep records of the achievements and merits of the sultans. Tawriks written by Al-Biruni, Ziauddin Barani, Maulana Ahmad, Yahya bin Ahmad, Mirza Haider, etc. are available. Bakhar. Bakhar is a type of chronicle that originated in Maharashtra. Chronicles help in understanding aspects like the contemporary political happenings, linguistic transactions, cultural life, social transactions, etc. Let us see the meanings of difficult words. Chronicle, a written record of historical events describing them in the order in which they happened. Contemporary, belonging to the same time as somebody or something else. Linguistic transactions, a transaction that is outside the ordinary course of business of the company. Means, they explain the deeds of the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Bakhars are considered valuable resources depicting the Maratha view of history, but also criticized for falsely making the facts of those times more decorative. Bakhars were written in the 17th to 19th centuries after the events had occurred. As a result, they are seen to rely on hearsays. Some of these chronicles are Mahika Vatichi Bakhar, Sabhasad Bakhar, Bhausaibanchi Bakhar, etc. With this, we end our session here. We will continue with the oral sources in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.